Most people around here just call me Jinx, because I've had my share of bum luck. And before you ask, yeah, I heard about it, but I ain't seen no giant ape. Let's try to keep it that way.
Team 1, this is base. Jinx, are you en route with the replacements and supplies for Team 2?
Yeah, Millie, on the way. Any of you speak the language? You ever get the feeling you was being watched? Maybe that was a con. Don't look so mighty now. This place gives me the creeps. Hiya, Kate.
Hey, Jinx. Park the truck over there. The timing. We're gonna need help putting up the traps. Joe, how's it look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flying rats. Vortexes, take cover! Joe!
Hang on, Kate. We're coming. He wants us out of here.
Team 1, this is base.
Kate, you're alive.
I know. Hard to believe. How are you doing?
Well, let's see. Team 1, are we all right? Well, you made it through. This time. If you're ever in the Big Apple, look me up. Now beat it. After we come to a complete stop. Watch your step, and don't forget your gear.
Jinx, we need someone to pick up Dr. Creelman's team in the West Gorge. You up for another run?
Sure, Millie. And call me Frank. I think my luck has finally changed.